KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
Hi KeyDigital YouTube fans. We have a special guest with us today, the National Training Manager, the Head of Tech Support, the Head of System Design, the Key in KeyDigital, Jonathon Ferry. And we're going to talk to you today all about large venue. Large venue has been on top of a lot of dealers' minds. How do you get into that business? What kind of systems are going into these large venue applications? So I want to ask Jonathon what he's seeing right now coming in on the tech support side and pre-sale side that can better help you position for this emerging market.
Well, it's all about AV over IP. The system allows you to do greater distances than ever before, 100 meters in, 100 meters out, through another network switch, gives you all that distance all over again. With AV over IP, you're able to build a non-symmetrical input-output matrix as well. You have digital signage capabilities already built into the product. It could be a video wall processor. It could be a distribution of digital menu boards, for example. So ultimately for me, when I'm asked that question, commonly, the answer is just steering folks to our enterprise AV over IP product. Getting to learn what steers you in the direction of the 1080p flavor versus the 4K flavor. Getting to learn the steps of what is the network switch I'm able to use, how do I configure that, and we really spell it out 1, 2, 3. Configure that network switch, configure the units one at a time, which we have a super useful YouTube video that folks refer to, then build a switcher system out of that so that units are no longer acting as individual units, they become one whole system. Across a large venue, there's really nothing easier. All you need is a single network wire ran to each location. So this is a familiar theme. Everyone knows, get the wiring in first, and what I'm able to do with it downline, or downstream, down a year later, 2 years later, because these projects do take a while to come fully together, having that network wire in place is going to be everything they need.
Awesome. So if you have a large venue job with video walls, multiple rooms, large scale, give KeyDigital a call. How can our customers reach you and your team?
System Design Group is KeyDigital's free resource for our partners, resellers, and distributors. SDG@keydigital.com is the way to go. You're going to send us information or just say, hey, reach out to me about an upcoming project I have, and we'll get right on the phone with you.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much, Jonathon. And please feel free, if you have a project that you need help with, reach out to us. We're available through all the means of communication these days on all the social media platforms. So please like this video, share this video, and check out all the other cool things going on with KeyDigital. Thanks. Have a great day.